Lipstick has been a symbol of power, status, and self-expression for thousands of years. From the earliest civilizations to the present day, the act of coloring one's lips has carried deep meaning, sometimes subtle, sometimes bold, but always significant. Across cultures and continents, the perfect pout has been a way to stand out, to belong, to challenge norms, or to simply feel beautiful. Ancient Mesopotamians crushed gemstones for sparkle, while Egyptians used red ochre for bold lip stains. These early beauty pioneers experimented with natural pigments, creating looks that were both striking and symbolic. Lip color wasn't just about appearance. It was a statement of identity, wealth, and even spiritual protection. Painted lips have always signaled confidence and rebellion. Whether worn by queens, artists, or activists, a swipe of color could challenge the status quo or simply boost self-assurance before facing the world. Throughout history, lips have been the focal point of beauty and communication. They draw attention when we speak, smile, or express emotion, making them a canvas for creativity and connection. Trends shift. Thin lips, glossy pouts, deep reds, but the quest for the perfect pout remains. Each generation redefines what's desirable, from the delicate Cupid's bow of the 1920s to the bold, overlined lips of today. Yet, the desire to enhance and celebrate our lips never fades. Today, social media is filled with tutorials and hacks for achieving the ultimate lips. Influencers and makeup artists share their secrets, making beauty more accessible and creative than ever before. Anyone can experiment, learn, and find their signature style with just a few taps. Each era reinvents what makes lips beautiful, blending old-school glamour with modern artistry. From classic Hollywood reds to holographic glosses, the evolution of lip trends reflects our changing tastes and technologies. In 2025, the focus is on creating dimension and lift, no needles required. The latest techniques use clever makeup tricks to sculpt and enhance, giving lips a naturally fuller, more youthful look. It's about using makeup to sculpt, shape, and create illusions. With the right products and a little artistry, anyone can transform their lips, playing with light, shadow, and color to achieve their dream pout. The latest trends are about how you wear color, not just which color you choose. Placement, blending, and finish all play a role in making your lips uniquely yours. Let's dive into the biggest lip trend of 2025 and learn how to master it. Whether you're a beauty beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something new and exciting to discover. Get ready to transform your pout with the Lip Lift Hack, your guide to a modern, lifted, and effortlessly stunning look. The Lip Lift Hack is the secret to achieving fuller lifted lips. No surgery, no needles, just the magic of makeup. This innovative technique has taken the beauty world by storm, offering a non-invasive way to transform your lips in minutes. Whether you want to enhance your natural shape or create a dramatic new look, this hack is all about using color and contour to your advantage. By blending a gradient of shades, you create a three-dimensional, plumper effect that mimics the results of a professional lip procedure. Start with a darker shade on the outer edges and blend inward with a lighter color, using a brush or your fingertip for a seamless transition. This technique not only adds volume, but also gives your lips a natural, pillowy softness. The result? A beautifully defined Cupid's bow, lifted corners, and a more youthful, refreshed appearance. Your lips instantly look fuller and more sculpted, catching the light in all the right places. This trend is perfect for anyone who wants dramatic results, without the long-term commitment or cost of cosmetic procedures. It's a game changer for those who love to experiment with their look and want instant gratification. The best part? It's completely customizable. Go bold with vibrant shades for a statement look, or keep it subtle with soft, natural tones depending on your mood or the occasion. You're in control of your style. The Lip Lift Hack lets your lips take center stage, allowing the rest of your makeup to stay understated and fresh. It's the perfect way to highlight your lips without overpowering your natural beauty. It's all about creating dimension, darker shades on the edges to contour, lighter hues in the center to add fullness and draw the eye. This clever use of color tricks the light, making your lips look naturally plump. The darker outline sharpens and defines your lip shape, while the lighter center pops forward, giving you that coveted high-impact pout seen on runways and social feeds. This classic play of light and shadow is the secret behind a selfie-ready pout, ensuring your lips look flawless from every angle and in every photo. No wonder it's the must-try trend of 2025. Everyone's talking about it, and beauty influencers can't get enough of this transformative hack. Ready to try it yourself? Let's break down exactly how to master the lip lift hack step by step so you can achieve the perfect pout every time. The first step to a flawless lip lift is prepping your lips. Begin by gently exfoliating to remove any dry or flaky skin. This creates a smooth canvas for your products. Next, apply a nourishing lip balm to hydrate and soften your lips, ensuring they're plump and ready for makeup. Well-prepped lips help your colors blend seamlessly and last longer throughout the day. Now, take a lip liner that's 1 or 2 shades deeper than your chosen lipstick. Carefully outline your lips, paying special attention to the Cupid's bow for a lifted effect. As you reach the corners, flick the liner slightly upwards. This subtle trick visually lifts the mouth, giving your lips a more youthful, defined appearance. Next, shade in the outer third of your lips with the same liner or a matching lipstick, leaving the center untouched. This technique creates depth and dimension, making your lips appear fuller and more sculpted. Apply a deeper lipstick shade to the areas you just shaded, concentrating the pigment on the outer edges. This step intensifies the contour and enhances the lifted look, while keeping the center lighter for a natural gradient. Using a small brush or your fingertip, gently blur the color inward toward the center of your lips. This softens any harsh lines and creates a beautiful, seamless gradient that mimics the look of naturally fuller lips. For added dimension, dab a lighter nude or pink lipstick right in the center of your lips. Blend it gently into the deeper shades. This pop of light draws attention to the fullest part of your lips, making them look even more voluminous. To finish, add a touch of clear gloss to the very center of your lips. This not only gives extra shine, but also creates the illusion of plumper, more luscious lips by catching the light in all the right places. Press your lips together just once to blend the colors and set the gradient. Avoid rubbing, as this can muddy the effect you've just created. The result is a dimensional, lifted pout that instantly brightens your whole look. You'll notice your lips look fuller, more defined, and beautifully contoured. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different color combinations, finishes, and techniques to find what flatters your features best. With a little practice, you'll master the lip lift and make it your own signature style. This technique is versatile enough for any occasion, whether you want a subtle daytime look or a bold, dramatic pout for evening. Now let's talk color and how to choose the perfect shade for you. 2025's lip palette is all about drama, deep reds and moody hues. Celebrities are embracing brick reds, burgundies, and cocoa browns for a sophisticated look. Warm, yellow-toned, and sheer orange reds are trending for every skin tone. Moody shades like dark burgundy and muted cherry add a modern, grunge-inspired twist. Rich nudes, caramels, rosy browns, deep beiges are in, paired with clean skin and nude eyes. The cherry glazed lip, bright cherry color with high gloss, offers a playful, youthful vibe. Adapt the lip lift hack with any of these shades for dimension and impact. Use a deeper liner and a lighter or glossier center for a plumped effect. Whether you go bold or subtle, these colors make a statement. The right shade can transform your whole look. Next, let's explore the hottest textures. Texture is everything in 2025. Blurred, glossy, and velvet lips are in. Soft, diffused lip lines replace sharp edges for a romantic, modern vibe. Achieve the look by blurring your liner and blending colors from the outside in. High-shine vinyl-like glosses create a cherry-glazed or liquid ruby effect. A dab of gloss in the center adds three-dimensional fullness. Velvet lips, soft matte, plush finishes offer a rich, comfortable alternative to gloss. Frosted lips with icy pinks and shimmery mauves are making a comeback, Combine matte edges with a frosted or glossy center for multi-dimensional impact. These textures work perfectly with the lip lift hack. Mix and match for a look that's uniquely yours. Now let's talk tools. The right tools make all the difference for 2025's lip trends. Creamy, precise lip liners are essential for creating blurred, defined edges. Long wear liquid lipsticks and plush mattes help achieve bold, moody looks. Sheer matte formulas are perfect for a natural, just-kissed stain. A high-shine, non-sticky gloss is your secret weapon for a 3D pop. Use a lip brush for precision and seamless blending. Keep cotton swabs and concealer handy for cleanup and sharp edges. With these tools, you're ready to master any lip trend. Let your lips be the hero. Keep the rest of your makeup simple. Pair bold lips with minimal eyes, neat brows, a touch of mascara, and clean skin. For an edgier look, try graphic liner with no mascara for modern contrast. Skin trends: butter skin, luminous soft, and velvet skin, plush matte, create the perfect canvas. Soft, natural brows frame the face without overpowering bold lips. Use your lipstick as blush for a monochromatic, sun-kissed flush. The goal: balance and harmony, letting your lips take center stage. Experiment with different pairings for day or night. A statement lip can elevate any look, from casual to glam. Find the combination that makes you feel confident. Next, how to make these trends wearable every day. You don't need runway drama for everyday lips. Adjust the intensity. Try the lip lift hack with softer shades like dusty rose or terracotta. Use a liner just one shade deeper for subtle contour and a sheer gloss for a natural finish. Dab lipstick with your fingertip for a stained, lived-in effect. Pair bold lips with casual outfits for a modern, effortless vibe. On busy days, a statement lip is all you need to look polished. Mix and match trends. Blurred lines with nudes or gloss over any color. Makeup is about fun and self-expression. Make the trends your own. Now, embrace your new look. 2025 is all about creative expression and skillful artistry. The lip lift hack empowers you to sculpt and enhance your lips with makeup. Rich colors and bold textures invite you to experiment and play. Try deep reds, moody browns, or cherry gloss. There's a trend for everyone. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Practice, experiment, and find what makes you feel beautiful. Pair bold lips with soft skin and eyes for a balanced, modern look. Let your lips be your canvas for self-expression. Pick up that lip liner and give your smile the spotlight. You might just discover your new favorite look.